Welcome to What is Jenkins, your guide to the world's most widely used CI/CD automation server. Whether you're a developer, a DevOps engineer, or just getting started with software delivery, this video will give you a solid foundation in how Jenkins works and why it matters. Before tools like Jenkins, shipping software was painful. Developers wrote code, then manually ran tests, compiled builds, and copied files to servers, often late at night. One missed step, one typo, and production would break. Teams desperately needed a way to automate the entire delivery process, reliably, every single time someone pushed code. Jenkins is a free, open-source automation server that automates the building, testing, and deployment of software. It was originally called Hudson, created at Sun Microsystems in 2004, and has grown to become the most widely installed CI/CD tool in the world. It's language agnostic, platform agnostic, and backed by a massive plugin ecosystem. Think of Jenkins like an assembly line in a factory. When raw materials arrive, your code commit, the line kicks into motion. It compiles the code, runs tests, packages the build, and ships it to production. Each station is fully automated. Humans only intervene when something breaks. The result is consistent, repeatable deliveries on every single commit. Jenkins has two main components. The controller is the central server. It hosts the web interface, manages job configuration, schedules pipelines, and coordinates all the work. Agents are worker machines that actually run your builds. You can have one agent or hundreds distributed across different operating systems. The controller delegates jobs to agents and collects the results. Pipelines are the core of Jenkins. A pipeline is a series of stages, like checkout, build, test, security scan, package, and deploy, that run in sequence. Each stage contains steps, shell commands, plugin actions, or scripts. If any stage fails, the pipeline stops immediately and notifies your team. A successful run means your code is ready to ship with confidence. The best practice is to define your pipeline in a Jenkins file, a text file committed to your repository alongside your code. This is called pipeline as code. It means your entire build process is version-controlled, reviewable in pull requests, and consistent across all branches. A Jenkins file uses a Groovy-based domain-specific language that is easy to read and write. One of Jenkins's greatest strengths is its plugin ecosystem. Over 1,800 plugins covering every tool you can think of: Git, GitHub, Docker, Kubernetes, Slack, SonarQube, AWS, Azure, Jira. There's a plugin for all of them. Plugins let you integrate Jenkins into virtually any technology stack, making it adaptable to your specific workflow rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Here's what a real Jenkins CI/CD workflow looks like. A developer pushes code to GitHub. Jenkins detects the commit via a webhook. It pulls the code and runs unit tests. Then it builds a Docker image and runs a security scan. It pushes the image to a container registry and deploys to Kubernetes with zero downtime. Finally, it posts a success notification to Slack. The whole process takes minutes, fully automated. Jenkins isn't the only CI/CD option. GitHub Actions is simpler for GitHub native projects. GitLab CI integrates tightly with GitLab. CircleCI and Travis CI are popular cloud-hosted choices, but Jenkins leads on flexibility, plugin depth, and self-hosted control. For large enterprises with complex multi-environment pipelines and strict data sovereignty requirements, Jenkins remains the first choice. Jenkins has been around for 20 years and powers CI/CD at thousands of companies. It handles massive scale. Netflix, LinkedIn, and eBay all rely on it. It's language agnostic, platform agnostic, and battle-tested under extreme conditions. In a world full of shiny new tools, Jenkins remains the reliable workhorse of software delivery. Always there, always running, always shipping your code. To recap, Jenkins is an open-source automation server that automates your entire software delivery pipeline. A Jenkins file defines the stages. Agents run the work. Plugins connect everything. And the result is that every code push is automatically built, tested, and deployed, consistently and reliably. That's Jenkins, and after 20 years, it's still the backbone of modern CI/CD. Head to jenkins.io to get started.